Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our March Floerns video. I've been working with Floerns for several years at this point. They are a brand on Amazon and they periodically send me clothes to test out and review. It's usually their newest releases and I'm really excited to share some of these pieces with you. These are some of the newest releases for this month. I have 5 pieces of clothing with a total of 3 outfits that I'm going to share with you today, and I'm really excited for them, so let's get into it. First up, we have this racer back high neck with the tie detail on the shoulder. It has ruching on the sides. The material is really soft. I don't know what this is made of, but it is so soft. And in the front, there is some ruching under the bust line. This is going to be so cute with a pair of like black slacks or like an olive green. I think that would be really pretty in the spring and the fall. But since March is in spring, we will be pairing it with shorts. These shorts, in fact, these are denim shorts, very stretchy. They do have light fading on them. They are pretty short, so if you don't like super short shorts, then these may not be for you. They do have another pair that was released as well. They have a frayed edge instead of the hemmed, but I like the darker color of these. We have belt loops and a zipper with a button. I think these shorts paired with this top and a pair of sandals and like an oversized boho bag is going to be so cute for summer. Next up is a long sleeve crop. It has a mock neck. I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up, but it has this cross embroidered detail that I think is just so cool. Very edgy, right up my alley as far as style goes. I'm pretty sure I got all of these in a size large if I'm not mistaken, but I did pick this shirt to go with these sweatpants. I am obsessed with these sweatpants. These are very lightweight. They're not really thick. They're not the ones that's going to keep you super toasty in the wintertime, okay? These are like your transition sweatpants, the ones you want to hang out in the house in. You can wear them in public. I actually wore them to the tattoo shop the other day, and they were very comfortable, and I was in the chair for a couple of hours. It has elastic at the waistband, drawstrings, really deep pockets, like super deep pockets. There is a design down the left leg, and it says danger in this really cool, like, I don't know, like medieval style writing. I don't know the font, but it looks really cool and like streetwear. So the legs are pretty wide and the bottoms are straight. However, it has this little drawstring with toggle, so you can cinch it up and they can become more like a jogger style. I think having versatility with your clothes is always a plus. But I think that wearing these two together with a pair of tennis shoes and like a ball cap is going to be such a great running errands outfit. You have a super simple outfit, and I personally love wearing all black together. I think that it is just so cool sometimes. I think this is going to be such a cute look. And then the last piece is, of course, leopard print. If I'm not wearing black, I'm wearing leopard print, y'all. How cute is this? Now, this is a mini dress. It's a bodycon style. It is fully sequins. I love this. Look at that. Look at how the ombre goes from the dark to the light. The material on this is extremely stretchy. I did get a large because I was scared that the medium would be too small. So I hope that this is not too big. The straps are not adjustable, and they are this almost like a rope shoestring material. It's not like your normal strap. That's very cool. I cannot wait to style this. I'm probably going to pair it with some strappy heels and a little clutch. This is going to be such a great date night outfit. I am so excited. Let's get into trying on these clothes so I can show you how they fit.